In this video workshop, we're going to take a closer look at the GRV-EPIC-I/O module status LED. The status LED is located here, at the top of the module, just below the touch-sensitive groov logo. There are 5 colours and 1 blink code combination for the LED. Off, red, blue, flashing blue, violet and yellow. Let's take a look at each of these and look more closely at each colour code. When you first power up your GRV-EPIC, if one or more status LEDs are not on, check that the module is seated correctly and that the front retaining screw is correctly installed. At first power up, the status LEDs will be red as the processor boots up and starts communicating with each module. This is normal initialization behavior. The status LED will turn solid blue once they're communicating with the GRV-EPIC PR1 processor. If you touch and hold for 2 seconds the touch-sensitive cap on a module and thereby select it, its blue status LED will start flashing on and off. This way you know exactly which module you are inspecting in Groov Manage on the front touchscreen of the processor. When you do a module firmware update, the status LED will turn a violet colour for the duration of the update. It will then turn red briefly and then back to solid blue as it starts communicating with the processor after the update. Lastly, the yellow status LED colour indicates a quality error. This colour will show if you have 1 or more channels with an open circuit or bad transducer. For example, a blown fuse or a bad temperature sensor. For more information, check out opto22.com.